but there were no emotions.
Ni ile tu kuhumuka.
Toni ndaiguire, okay, ndirikanaga one day ndari haria ndandikitwo wira. But sasa iria uratindokirwo fafanyore, kire fafanyore kire that is ukihuriro kuma. So if kuria ndari nario ria ndandikaga nao the daily schedules and everything. Kiandika like I wish to my dad would just leave Athieto. So now they are horror now that is maybe a month after the horror the modari wera and I was told like fafanyo ni akua. Believe you me. Darire hideo like now the news say hideo. But I never cried again. Na nire dari wera ine da cry darire the issue. I was back on my feet. Go attend customers. And that was it. I never cried. I was never emotional about him. Like, and it's like, it's well. No other, it's well. Like, there were no emotions. Yeah.
Like, we are now going to have peace.
Yeah. Nuna ginyorevia kuona modo mog. I remember my aunt, now my sister to my mother. When we were raga. Todo tuigira na mao ni na the auntie now. When we urarira
inyu mutheretie maitho gutheria toria JJ yaugaga.
For me I was not crying, so I don't know whether my mom ariragira na thini todo ona at the end of the day when muthuri wake. So digiuga hake I don't know. Maybe ni aririre behind our backs dogimenya, but for me tiaririre. To me have your conversation with my sister, nimempigia simu and I asked her like, do you really miss him? Like, kuna ini ananiambia tureke ngoire. To be honest,
no.
Miss. Though there are some sisters that maiguire mahudio. But for me,
otire.